subject. Okay children, in the previous class I finished about here. What is the lesson number? People and their profession. Lesson name is a People and the Professional. The third chapter. In the previous class I finished that much now. So now I'll start from here. Akash was going to travel by an aeroplane. For the first time he was very excited. Then here Akash, one guy, his name is Akash. He is going by aeroplane. He is going by aeroplane. Aeroplane nalli avanu hogta idane. But it is the first time he is sitting on an aeroplane. So he is excited. Excited means so happy. He and his parents were going for a vacation and the flight would take about 3 hours. Here he and his parents is going vacation. Vacation means holidays. He is going holidays nalli ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಸುತ್ತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಬೇರೆ ಊರಿಗೆ. then you all go to your grandma place, then your aunt place, any ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು. like this only Akash and his parents going vacation by aeroplane. They reached the airport and completed all the formalities like checking and security. Finally, it was time to board the flight. Here, after 3 hours, the aeroplane will be take over. Then he reached the airport. Aeroplane and ಹೋಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ airport ಹೋಗಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. By bus we'll go to bus stand. By train we'll go to railway station. For aeroplane we have to go to airport. They reached to airport after all formalities. Formalities means thing do to follow rules. Means we have to first ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ plane ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ they have to check our passport. Having passport na, they have to check our passport. Then other formalities also, their documents, then anything ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. then securities ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. Finally it was time to board the flight. Akash was both nervous and thrilled. Once they settled into their seat, he asked his father question about planes. Then it's the first time to Akash na, he is sitting first time in the aeroplane. Then he feel nervous. Nervous means ಒಂಥರ ಭಯ ತರ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಏನಾದರೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ how you feel? You also feel nervous na, ಭಯ ತರ. Then he also feeling nervous. Then it's time to board. Board means to get on a bus aeroplane track. board means high ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Especially train, bus or aeroplane. Akash was both nervous. Once they settled into their seat, he asked his father question about the plane. He wanted to know how planes fly and how they land. Then he is going to sit on his seat. Then Akash started question to his father. How the plane will fly? Who will fly the plane? ಯಾರು plane fly ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, drive ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? Then how they fly? Like this question they started to his father. Suddenly he heard a voice. Akash looked around but he could not see anyone. His father told him that it was a pilot making an announcement from the cockpit. Here suddenly Akash heard one sound. ಅವನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. Then he is looking somewhere. Nobody is there. But where is sound is coming? From where sound is coming? Then Akash father told he is a pilot. Announcing means announce ಮಾಡೋದು. You know all of you announce ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ. Like this only the pilot announcing. That announcing in airport we call cockpit. Akash got even more excited and began asking questions about the pilot, and air hostess overheard him and offered to take him into the cockpit for 5 minutes to introduce him to help pilot. Akash joy knew no bonds. Here the Akash started questions to his father. How they announcing, where he is sitting the pilot. ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅವರು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸಿ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ಪೈಲಟ್ ಆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆಕಾಶ್ಗೆ ಬಾ ನಾನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಓನ್ಲಿ 5 minutes he took to introduce the pilot. See here picture, he is a air hostess, she is a air hostess and he is a Akash and he is a pilot. He is flying plane. A pilot is a person who flies, control and navigates an aeroplane. He is like the captain of the plane. A pilot is a person who flies the plane. Navigate means a plane directly on the certain path of route. Then helicopter, they are also flying the adu ಓಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ bus driver will drive the bus, we call to bus driver. Then here pilot is fly the plane. He is like the captain of a people need to take special training for many years to become a pilot. It is not an easy task. A pilot is responsible for the operation of the plane. Here, people will take so many years training. They have to take training first. How to fly plane, how to manage the plane. Then they become a pilot. First, ಅವರು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. Then ಅವರು ಪೈಲಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ವಿತೌಟ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಹಾಳಾಗಲ್ಲ. And safety of the people, he has to take quick and safe decision during emergencies. In the case of emergency, pilot will take quick decision. ಬೇಗ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಡಿಕ್ಕಿ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ, then plane will be crash. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. There are different kinds of pilots. Some fly passenger planes while others fly military planes. They often fly all around the world, staying away from their families but making sure that we fly safely. Here different pilots are there. Some pilots are fly passenger planes, then others are military planes also there na, so they are fly military. But your family inda tumba door agittare, they can't stay in his family also. ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಅವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕೆಲಸ. ಇದು ಪೈಲಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ. ಒಂಚೂರು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ ಜೀವ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಸೇಫ್ಲಿ ಟು ಫ್ಲೈ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. Okay children, that much finish with the lesson. In the next class I'll teach you exercise part. Okay, thank you, bye.